Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to take scrolling screenshot in laptop Windows 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up a browser and now go for google.com and search for Chrome Web Store. Now from here, select the first one. Once you are here, use the search bar at the top and search for full page. So from here, you will have this one, go full page. So make sure it's this one. And as you can see, I have this extension right now. But if you don't have it, you can just simply select like this, add to Chrome, and select add extension, and it will be added. And as you can see, it is now on our extensions icon on the top right. So now from here, let's say I'm going to go for Amazon as an example. And now just simply select the extension and go for the extensions that we had and select on it. And as you can see, it will screen capture the full page right away. So now from here, guys, you could delete it. You could download it as PDF or download as an image. And once you have downloaded it as image, select allow, and it will be downloaded into your PC, and you will have a scrolling screenshot into your PC. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.